silence, let these hollows change them. Bullets I sling them, we don't shoot from far, we get up close and bang them. I think we flame them, think we face the ranger, we turn the boys to angels. Them I can talk that shit cause we been laughing from the start. I ain't gon' lie about my rec, go extra streets, I made a mark. He try to run, I put that iron to him like my name Tony Stark. These 223s, they burn like acid, start the can.
What's up, YouTube? We back at it with another video, and today we finna be adding these parts. They came with my performance pack for the Mustang. I get it on little blocks, but I never really added them. It's supposed to be aero. I think they call underbody strakes, but I'm finna add these. It's supposed to give me like more handling when driving, so I'm gonna put these on, and hopefully I feel a difference. I probably won't, but I might as well just put them on just to have the parts out of my trunk. That's where they was just sitting there, and we're gonna get these put on. So I'm gonna put it on right here. It's like this spot right here where it connects to. I never really knew where they supposed to went. I thought it was supposed to go in the front, but I'm just go ahead and throw them on. So just stay tuned. Here go the tools that I'm using. I got this 13 millimeter and this 7 right here, and I'm finna put it on. I got it on blocks. I will use a jack, but my jack acting funny right now, so I'm just do it because it's just on the sides, and hopefully it does something. So just, yeah. All right, finna take the first one off. Oh, it's on there tight. All right, I'm about to get the last screw out on this side. Then we about to put it on. All right, finna put it on now. Finna hand tighten these very quick. Then I'm gonna go over it again. The two silver ones right here and here, these are the hardest ones to get out. Hopefully they go to tighten back in, but I was struggling at first. I probably should have used the impact, but they using it for a go-karts right now. So gotta get the last bolt down there. And I'm gonna just go back over it. All right, finna get this last one, then I'm gonna go on the other side. Well, I got it in. This how it look. I don't know if you can see it that good, but it's supposed to like make it easier for me to like handle the car when going fast, like high speeds and the airflow. I don't know if it's just a gimmick or whatever, but hopefully it does something, because I just got a workout in putting it in, and we got another side to do. So yeah. All right, I took a break. I'm gonna use this drill right here just to go ahead and put it in, and yeah. All right, I got them both installed. Finna take it out the blocks, and I'm gonna see how it drives when I go out. So yeah. All right, I'm driving with it on. I really don't feel much of a difference, but I know it's on there. So yeah, I don't feel no difference. But yeah, I don't really feel like a big difference. Like, I don't know. It's driving basically the same, but I saw like on a post for it, they tested like the aerodynamics through like a wind tunnel with it on. It's supposed to like make it more aerodynamic or something, but I don't really feel nothing. Besides my car shifting harder because of an oil change, that's the only difference. But yeah, we got the thing installed. It wasn't too hard. I had to like restart because like somebody had came over. They helped. He threw one of the plates over one of the screws, so I had to take it apart and put it back on. But we did it, so got a mod done. finna hit it one more time going down this road. Yeah. I don't know. I don't feel much of a difference. But that's it for the video. And thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. And boy, CJ out.
Waiting for the dead.